Selva, great to see you.
Same here, Ben.
I'm joined by Selva Selvaraj, Senior Director of People here in India. We're here in our beautiful Pune office, our brand new Pune office here over the past few months. Selva, can you give me a little bit of background on yourself?
Sure. So, Ben, I've worked more than 2 decades of my career spans across different multinational organizations as well as startups that are hyper-scaling and have become from nowhere to home names in the technology space in India. Some of the high points of my career has been building exactly what teams like 66 Degrees do at the forefront of our future and making sure that our people are excelling in their careers. So I'm super happy to be here with you, Ben.
Selva, we have experienced tremendous growth here over the past couple of years. And in particular, we've experienced really rapid growth of our people and teams in India. You've been the spearhead, you have spearheaded that growth, and thank you for all of your great efforts and leadership here. Selva, can you walk us through some of your strategy and tactics about how we're able to identify and then attract some of the best in data and AI capabilities and talent and people over to our team in India?
Sure, definitely. I joined my career was at a point when India was an innovation hub 20 years ago, Ben, and all we were looking for was technically capable people. I feel like we've really moved leaps and bounds from there. So 3 things becomes extremely important for us. 3 C's, if I may. One is competence. It's pure gold. Technical excellence beats every other skills. But that doesn't stop there. It just becomes a beginner right now. The other C is client-centric mindset. It includes communication. It includes all things client problem-solving skills. The last C, and definitely also another very, very important piece, is collaborative mindset. We at 66 Degrees are a global team, no matter where we are, India, US, any other geography. The ability to really collaborate seamlessly, communicate, keep client at the center of all of our communication becomes so crucial for us. So while the recruiting engine remains timeless, we're always looking for people with great talent. What has really evolved in the era of AI is HI and CI have become very more important. Let me explain that for you. HI is human intelligence. You have to be really intelligent to be able to use AI for the advantage of business, for the advantage of our clients, for your personal career growth. So we are now upping our game to see, are you now becoming an AI servant in the sense of you learning technology to manage? Or are you really forcing yourself to see what can I really learn today to be able to not just ride the wave, but also forecast what's coming up to be able to really problem solve that?
Selva, it's interesting hearing you say that because I spend a lot of time thinking about as we're building our leadership team globally, but then also our leadership team in India is, look, I think table stakes is technical competence.
Yes.
Is what, to your point, earlier on how you're building, an elite talent pool here is technical competence. However, what the make or break is, or why I want that person over another person A over person B in a leadership team, it comes down to fabric. It comes down to who you are as an individual, how you view the world and how you make decisions. It's not just the what, it's the how. And I think that the how, the fabric of who you are as a person or who I am as a person, I think if carefully selected in an organization, that can permeate throughout. And as we're building directors and vice presidents and senior leaders in India and then the United States and in the UK, it's the fabric of those people that we've carefully selected that are luminaries of our values that allow us to be consistent globally, but also for each person to feel really important, to feel, hey, I'm a 66er, I'm proud of that, and to feel very cared for. And that ultimately allows them to do better work. Does that Is that
Absolutely.
consistent with your experience?
Absolutely. Another, maybe if I could give you a acronym of 3 T's, right? What's really most crucial for us, right? Regardless of what 66 as a company believes, each personal belief is 3 T's, right? One is technical expertise. No two ways about that. You constantly keep finding and innovating and learning along the way, no matter what your career has been, right? As many years ago. Second is teamwork. You cannot succeed alone. Never before, never now, never after. So teamwork. And lastly, the most crucial piece is trust. So technical depth, teamwork, trust are the 3 pieces that we hold very dear to our heart. I think that will really help us scale consistently in the best way that we can.
Selva, thank you for joining me today. It's great to catch up.
Thank you, Ben.